Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, October 24th, and I'm going to be analyzing the pound yen starting on the monthly, working my way down to that 1 hour time frame. So, on the pound yen monthly, I still think it looks like very clearly to be at 1, 2, 3, which I'm not even really convinced that 3 is over. I still think it's going to end up most likely up to this 100% Fibonacci extension of wave A, projected out the bottom of what I believe to be an ABC of B, right up around the 203 area. So let's keep going down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, since we ended this correction back here, which I believe to be a wave 2, we have definitely been making primarily higher highs, higher lows. There's really been no break of structure, no real reason to think that this trend is over. I still believe we're in a wave 3, and I still don't see any reason to think the wave 3 is over. So I for sure am going to continue to look for longs on the shorter time frames. Heading down to the daily time frame. Daily time frame, I mean, I'm still looking at this as possibly being like a wave A, and this still could end up being like a wave B, and it very easily could turn back down and make a C before it actually does end up continuing the uptrend. But the trend is up on pretty much all yen pairs. We have a break of structure to the upside, we have corrective down, so until we get proof that that is going down and making that wave C, I am for sure going to continue to look for longs on shorter time frames. I think there's a good chance this is still all part of a big wave 3 on the weekly and monthly, and that it will continue the uptrend. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, we have the end of an ABC correction right here, and then we do have a little bit of a 1, 2, 3 shape, so I'm not really convinced that it's over yet. Even if it does end up being a wave B, I think we're going to get at least another push to the upside, and most likely based on the higher time frames, I think it will continue to make higher highs and higher lows, telling me that I really should continue to look for longs on shorter time frames. Going down to the 1 hour, I mean, it does have a little bit of a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shape to it, so I do have my Fibonacci retracement here because if it does make a decent pullback, that's actually really good news for us, because if it makes an ABC or like a WXY or a flat correction, then that is definitely going to give us another opportunity to go long. 3 waves down to a Fibonacci level. Nice big Fibonacci bounce is exactly what I would like to see for my next entry to go long, potentially for the continuation of this uptrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.